Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in Procreate. Ooh, magical, right? This is a Bigfoot Sasquatchy guy that I drew up about a week ago, and I really liked how he looked. I used the HB pencil, the 6B pencil, and I also used the willow charcoal to get the effect here. I might have used soft airbrush, not sure, but those tend to be my tools of choice. I like willow because it just gives you a lot of detail that you don't have to create later. It provides a really nice background to a character. But I wanted him to approach the viewer and then blink. So here's the trick to making a GIF in Procreate. See all these layers? All these layers are my Bigfoot. And they're all varying layers of him. So I am going to make it a little bit smaller off to the side here. And I'm going to make these all go away. I'm going to make them invisible for right now. But what I did is I took the main layer and I duplicated it. So you hit duplicate. And then that will copy to the top of the layer that you duplicated. And then I selected it. And once I selected it, I made sure that uniform was selected in my tools. And then I made him a little bit bigger. And then I duplicated that one. And I made that one a little bit bigger. Again, I selected it, made sure it was uniform. And then I duplicated it again and I selected and I made that a little bit bigger. So it's almost like the camera zooming in, right? And then after I did that, I'm going to delete these that I just created. So you can see how I added and added and added. And after I did that, I wanted the camera to linger on him for a little bit. And I thought, oh, it'd be cool if he actually looked at us. So I created a layer that was just the eyes looking at us. And I'm sure what I did, I don't have that right here, but I'm sure what I did is I copied the layer once again, and then I rendered new eyes on him. And then I wanted him to be blinking. And so I duplicated this layer and I created this rendering of him blinking. And then I duplicated them. So I duplicated the layer before the blinking and copied it up here. And then I had a couple of those where his eyes were open, but then I wanted him blinking again. And you can play around with this. Like if you want his eyes closed for a while, you might want to leave 2 or 3 layers with his eyes blinking. And then here's the magic of the GIF once you have this all done. The magic is you go up to the wrench up here and you can go over to share. And when you go down share, you see that you can share layers. And now you can do an animated GIF, an animated ping, an MP4, an HEVC. And so I wanted to make the GIF of this. So I selected that. And what it does is it loads everything. You can see it's going way too fast right now. Well, that's okay, because I can bring it down a little bit. That's still a little too fast. And that might be a little too slow. So I'm going to go up to 4. And I like that. I'm going to go one more. 5 seems to be good. So then I can export it. And when I export it, it'll ask me where I want to export it to. I'm just going to put it into my photos. Might take a minute depending on how much information you have. Okay, let's go to save image. And then I have a GIF that I can share anywhere. So there you have it. How to create a GIF in Procreate with an original illustration that you yourself make. If you want to get real fancy, you can add music to it in a video editing program, or you can just, leave it as it is. All right, thanks for watching. Will you subscribe to the channel? And I encourage you to, if you're interested in making a living as an artist, I have a show called The Breakthrough Creative, which is on this very channel, and you can watch it there. And I have all different kinds of artists on every week, or it may be me sharing about my career, a specific facet. So take a look through the library of shows, episodes, and interviews. All right? All right. Get to work. Go make something. I'll talk to you next time.